Why is this happening to me?
Because you don't belong here. And you're starting to see that.
Do you work on being this depressing, or is it a gift?
Walk away while you still can. You look like you needed this.
Yeah, thanks.
Even though Rick's gone, they're still trying to make money off of him. It's sick. Are you alright?
Tamira? You're hanging out with us? That's so awesome! You never want to hang!
I've been busy.
Me too! I had to shoot a spread for Racer Girls, then the interview, and tomorrow I've got a commercial for Fur Shine Shampoo. What about you?
Driving? Some of us think there's more to racing than just being a pretty face.
You think I'm pretty? That's so sweet!
I'll take my leave now. Good luck tomorrow.
Tamira's such a honey pie. You know what I mean?
Almost never.